It's so heavy. What? No. There's been a leakage.
I'm passionate about it.
Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are doing a Morrisons food box unboxing. A couple of weeks ago I ordered one of the Aldi food parcels that they were releasing. I think they're still available, I'm not really sure, but we thought the food box was quite good, didn't we?
Yeah, we thought it was a really good idea.
It was a good idea, it had some good stuff in it, you could make some meals from the box.
A good survival kit, wasn't it?
It was a good survival kit. Off the back of that video I did receive loads and loads of messages and comments all about the Morrisons food boxes. Morrisons just brought out a vegan food box and I ordered one because I'm so excited about it. I think it's such a good idea.
And do you know what, it's really nice, and it could actually encourage us to start eating more seasonally as well. So kind of, you know, there's so many potential benefits.
We do actually have on the website a list of what's in there. I purposely was ordering like this because I don't want to know, like this is so exciting.
Yeah.
So we're going to unbox it for you today, the Morrisons vegan food box. It cost £35. Delivery was super duper quick, like it came the next day. I think that's because there's a lot of fresh food in here, I think, from what you guys are telling me. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sophie, this is my boyfriend Lawrence. I make 3 videos on the channel every single week, all about living your best life on a budget. So make sure you are subscribed to see more. And if you want to see the meals we make from this box, that'll be uploaded next week. Anyway, let's go. So draw your attention to this. There's been a leakage. Something in here leaks, so I'm nervous to see what that is. The box is huge. It's really, really heavy. Oh my god. Why are you looking?
Because I just saw this like chili thing.
I'm gonna go over here. The apple and cinnamon crisp cereal.
That looks good. I like that.
Yum! I will really enjoy that. That's really good. They must be like an accidentally vegan thing. Okay, so yeah, apple and cinnamon crisp Morrisons cereal. Just love trying new unbranded cereals. So I'm glad these are Morrisons' own. But yeah, I've known that. If I went into the shops, I wouldn't have known they're vegan.
Unbelievable. Right.
Yay! Bread!
Wholemeal sunflower and spelt loaf. And it's from their like premium, the Morrisons the best.
That's good.
Selection, so we like that.
We do like that. That is the exact bread we would buy.
It is really.
We went to Morrisons. Seeded wholemeal loaf.
We actually needed a bit of bread.
Did we?
Yeah, look, we've got a few slices left. So
oh yeah, true.
Nice.
I'm going to take this.
Yeah, go for it.
It's so heavy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god!
Well, maybe that's what's been leaking. Maybe it's just a bit of moisture. Yeah.
It says, I'm here to keep things cool. Your chilled items are in here.
Wow! Check this out!
I got 3 in 1. So we have baby spinach, ready to eat, washed and ready to eat.
Nice.
Fabulous. We buy spinach every week for our smoothies. Yes! We've got this dairy-free sunflower butter. Apparently this stuff's really good for baking with, and I did want to get some vegan butter to do some vegan baking.
Good idea. And
my favourite dairy-free alternative milk ever, and it's the Alpro Almond Unsweetened. This is my favourite one.
That is, if we go out to buy it, that's what we come back with.
That's what we come back with. And it comes with freezer, I mean they're water now because it's melted, but water pouches. I reckon we could put them in the freezer. We're not going to drink it, are we?
No.
That's so good. Oh, I would love to know some vegan baking things that I could do.
Shall I get the other cold thing? Because there's another cold thing.
Oh, go on then.
I'll just...
So another cool bag, so it's got 2 cool bags in there.
What?
No
so,
way.
part 1, we have Heck.
We love the brand Heck.
We do love the brand Heck. So these are meat-free sausages, right?
Wow, they look so good.
With a pea protein and seasoning. They're probably like a Cumberland or a Lincolnshire sausage or something like that.
Vegan, low-fat, gluten-free. I'm going to sneeze. Hay fever. That's so good.
That's going for lunch.
They look like, yeah, we'll have a sausage sandwich.
Check this out.
What?
The Meatless Farm Company. We've got some meat-free mince.
That is amazing.
Made with soya, pea and rice proteins.
Wow, it even has like this bit of paper that you get in real mint.
This looks really good. I'm excited about that.
We wanted to try like different mints, vegan stuff. So that is really good. And the Meatless Farm has amazing stuff.
More things in there.
Yeah. Is that Sainsbury's? Oh no, Morrisons.
No
chick strips.
Having a bit of that.
Oh nice. We need some barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
No chick, like southern fried. Why does that really look like Sainsbury's logo though? Anyway, they look good. We love the corn southern fried bites. They're so
They are ridiculous.
But they actually look really nice.
Go on, have another go.
Oh, okay. A block of vegan cheese. Wow, with B12. Violife, 100% vegan. What kind of cheese is it meant to be? Like cheddar? Original flavour block. See, I've never bought vegan cheese.
Now give it a squish.
It's quite hard. So is it meant to be like...
it's kind of rubbery, so maybe it's like, I don't know. We'll try it.
Wow.
We'll give a review on Instagram or whatever.
Yeah.
Last thing in here. Honestly, I think the leakage is...
Oh, it's...
I think it's just water. Right. Obviously this one could leak, so that's why they put it in there, watch it, but hang on.
Hang on.
Outbro, plain no sugars, what?
Oh, it's like yogurt, like Greek yogurt.
Soya with yogurt cultures. So this is...
So it has, like the bacteria you get from yogurt.
It does have some of the probiotics in it. Not all of them, but it does have some of them. Love that. I'm well impressed by this so far. Right, what we got here? 4
savoury vegan stock pots.
That's a great idea.
That is so good. Seasoned with ground pimento and black pepper for a rich and savoury umami. That's the taste. That's the 7th...
Or 6th, 5th, whatever.
Taste. Vegan, and you can add this into your vegan chili. It gives you a recipe suggestion. That's amazing. I did hear though that the red Bisto is accidentally vegan though.
Really?
Yeah, red Bisto.
Oh, red Bisto, yeah.
Yeah, I'm very, very impressed.
Yeast extract is the main ingredient, which is what's that stuff? Marmite.
Anyway,
here we go.
Pasta.
Oh,
it's always penne.
Don Gaetano.
Pasta, penne pasta. That's great. You can actually get a massive bag of that from Lidl or Aldi though, so.
Yeah, although to be fair, this all looks very Italian and authentic, so yeah, that's alright.
Do you know what? I actually fully needed these for the baking.
We did!
Lotus Biscoffs biscuits. I found the Lotus Biscoff spread dupe in Aldi, which by the way is a 10 out of 10. But I really wanted to bake something vegan, like a vegan cheesecake, but you need these as well, so that's great. These are delicious.
A sack of potatoes.
A bag of potatoes.
Baby potatoes.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can have that. That'd be really good for a potato salad.
Yeah, they're quite nice as potato salad. There's salad cream.
Yummo.
Yummo. Shredded jackfruit in barbecue sauce.
That looks alright.
Looks like a small portion though.
It does look like a small portion.
Young jackfruit in a sweet and smoky sauce made with maple syrup. So it's probably going to be really nice as like a pulled pork style burger thing.
Yeah, you're right, and it's a...
Oh, it's microwavable.
It's one portion, but it's microwavable, yeah. So that's cool though.
One portion?
Yeah, but like, you know.
It's good to try though.
Good to try. We have a bag of onions.
We have so many onions now.
Honestly, we've got onions. Some of the onions.
They've teared open.
Oh yeah, okay.
They've teared open, but that's okay. 4th of June.
Better get eating.
Better get eating onion and nothing else. Passata. Nice.
Like passata.
Yeah.
Very
Make pasta sauce with that.
Or what we're thinking about doing is making our own pizzas, and that would be unreal.
Would this be?
Yeah, that would be great for making the pizza tomato sauce. Yeah. Okay,
we'll use that. Orange.
I love these.
That's a really good snack. Honestly, snacking on nuts is very, very good for you. It's how you get like your healthy fats in every day. So that is a really good idea to include nuts. Like biscuits they have included, but I like how they've also included
something a bit healthier.
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh,
dry chickpeas. That's actually a really good idea.
Yeah, dry chickpeas.
Wow, that's nice. Pure and natural dried chickpeas. So you soak in water for 12 hours.
Like if you bought them in a bigger pack, they'd probably be a bit more ethical as well because it's less wastage. Yeah.
Got to love chickpeas. We can make a nice chickpea curry.
Oh, sweet baby peppers.
Nice.
That'd be nice.
In our veggie fajitas, that'll be nice.
Veggie fajitas or grilled.
Like on a barbecue. Couscous!
Those favourite.
No, I'm really not a couscous person. I don't know what it is. I just don't like the texture. But you love couscous.
I don't mind it in with these. If you roasted these up on a barbecue with some onions and some garlic and stirred it through with that with a little bit of balsamic oil,
really nice.
Balsamic vinegar, sorry, that would be unbelievable. Okay, this one of Soap's face. Oh my god, it's all falling apart.
Oh wow, what's going on there?
We've got loads of carrots, but they're all...
Careful.
Yeah, they're wonky ones. Yeah, wonky carrots.
Except they're not wonky yet. You save money if you buy the wonky ones. Oh, look at that little knobbler.
Yeah, nice. But,
loads of carrots, a nice big
really
bag
good.
of carrots.
Yeah.
We eat carrots every single day without fail. Some royal gala apples. I love royal gala apples.
Do you?
Yeah, red ones as well. They're nice and sweet. Nice! That's
really
quite
good.
a lot of stuff. I would love to know how much everything is. These things in particular I'm really impressed with, like really wholesome, big meal type foods that you can make a big meal with. We can make mash and stew. We can make homemade vegan burgers with cheese. We can have sausage sandwiches, chicken, we can bake. There is so much to do, so I definitely want to do like a what meals we make with the Morrisons box.
Yeah. I'm probably most excited about these kind of these meat substitutes. I'm fascinated by them.
Morrisons?
Yeah.
I'm going to give that a good 9 out of 10.
I will give it a 9 out of 10
Good
too
9 out of
because
10.
they put loads of fresh stuff in there.
Yeah. But anyway,
really good.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do want to see the Morrisons meals from the box, make sure you are subscribed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!
Bye!